Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I have a video today of a brand and a product that I just wanted to share with you guys. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I like sharing smaller brands or smaller businesses and their products because typically these may be brands or products that weren't on your radar before, and it's just good to support small businesses. And sometimes they have better products than some of the bigger brands that you may purchase from now or use now. It's really incredible, actually. I feel like smaller businesses, smaller brands, they put a lot of love, care, and effort into their products and their branding, and they want to uphold a good name for themselves. So I just feel like small businesses they usually have really great products. So that's why today I want to share a small business with you guys and a product of theirs that I've been using the past few days. So stick around for that. So first, just to tell you guys a little bit about the brand is called Glowmance. They are a beauty brand, obviously by the name. Actually, I guess that's not obviously a beauty brand name. But anyway, they are a beauty brand. They are a small business. As I said, they have a mission of creating high-end products that don't have a high-end price tag, and I'm sure you know exactly what that means. There are products out there, like beauty products, that are upwards of $100 for like a tiny little bottle that may be like this big, and I mean, they give you good results, but you gotta pay the money for it. So they are on a mission to give you products that can help you achieve these same results, but without having to pay $100+ for it. So anyway, they're not just any beauty brand, they work with experts in the beauty industry as well as the same labs that some luxury high-end brands work with. So they are working with the same experts and chemists and stuff like that to create higher end products. So you know that because they're working with these good labs that work with these higher end brands, you know you're going to get a good product and not just anything that was mixed out of a bunch of random ingredients. So one of the great things about Glowmance is that they are trying to minimize their carbon footprint by just creating or manufacturing their products based on the demand. So they're not manufacturing in bulk and, you know, just in case they don't sell out, they won't have all this waste, which we all know a bunch of companies do nowadays, and just for like they've always done it, honestly. Like you can understand it to a point because the demand can be so high, but at the same time when the demand isn't there and they manufacture all these products, oftentimes a lot of products go to waste, and that can be seen in, like, I mean, I've never done it, but I've heard stories of women or girls going and like dumpster diving behind Ultas or like cosmetic companies and stuff like that, and they find unopened products because they're just manufactured to such a high extent that they're not selling. I wouldn't recommend doing that. I'm pretty sure it's illegal, so don't, you know, take my advice on that, don't do that. But in any case, they are minimizing their carbon footprint by just manufacturing based on the demand. Additionally, their products are cruelty-free and vegan, which is such a huge thing nowadays. I mean, not everything that I use is vegan or cruelty-free or clean beauty. However, a large majority of it is. I feel like a lot of brands nowadays are switching over to the vegan and clean beauty kind of mission, which is really great. The best part about it is that 1% of their profits are donated towards organizations around the world that help support women who are experiencing mental health issues. If you go onto Glowmance's website under their About Us page, you will see that they are really focused on women's mental health and how sometimes a skincare and beauty routine can even help you to take time for yourself and give yourself a little self-care and help with some mental health issues. So I think it's really great that they have missions that they are passionate about, and I love to see companies donate even like a tiny percent of their profits towards organizations like this, especially for a smaller brand like this. For a small brand to be doing something like this is amazing because obviously they are still small and they might not be receiving the same kind of business that a company like, you know, Morphe or ColourPop is. So to see a small business donating some of their profits to an organization or a mission that is near and dear to their hearts is really great. So that's just a little bit about the brand. When I try out out products from smaller brands or any brand really, or if a brand reaches out to me, I always like to do my research on the brand because I don't like to just support any brand. I like to make sure that, you know, they have a good mission in mind and that they mean well, and I just make sure that I do my research on brands before sharing them with you guys. This brand in particular, Glowmance, they reached out to me and they said, hey, do you want to try out this product, which I'm going to share with you guys, and let us know what you think. And I actually really liked it, so that is why I'm making a YouTube video on it. If I didn't like the product, believe me, I would not be spending my time making a video on it. So that is why, because I feel like this is a product that I should share with other people, that other people should know about. So in any case, the product is this here. It is the Glowmance Overnight Star, and it is a resurfacing night treatment powered by lactic acid. So what you do is after you cleanse your face at night, you take about 1 to 2 pumps of this and you massage it on your face in circular motions, and you do it about 2 to 3 times a week, and it helps to do all kinds of great stuff for your skin. So some of the things that it claims to do is exfoliate your skin. It helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to reduce dark spots, and the best part is that within 3 minutes, it helps to give you glowing and plump skin, which let me tell you, they actually, like, it stands by that. When I used it for the first time, I was very impressed, and I was like, I need to use this more because this is really great. So in any case, I think that is super great that so far it has lived up to what the brand claims that it does. Now granted, I've only been using it for about like 4 days now, I believe. So I haven't had the full effect of it just yet, but I'm sure if like it started out on such a good note that it'll continue to, you know, end on a high note. So there are quite a few ingredients in this that can help your skin, and I'm not even gonna lie to you, I have a little card here from Glowmance that has the ingredients and tells you about, you know, what they do for your skin or what they are. So I'm gonna read off of this just because it's a lot and I don't want to mess up the wording or anything. So it has lactic acid. As I said, it is powered by lactic acid, and that is to gently activate the exfoliation process, polishing away dead skin to reveal plumper, radiant skin. So that's really great. I needed an exfoliator, and that's why you should only use it 2 to 3 times a week, because you don't want to exfoliate too much. Because if you do that too much, you're going to damage your skin, and I feel like if you are big on skincare and like a beauty routine, you know this, so I feel like I don't need to go into detail about that. It has lemongrass oil, which is packed with vitamins A and C, purifies and calms skin without stripping it of essential oils. Not all oils are bad oils. I mean, some people have very oily skin, which, you know, you want to scale that back, but you don't want to strip your skin of all its oils and dry it out and then it becomes flaky and just not good. It has licorice, which isn't just for your candy jar anymore. This super ingredient works hard to protect skin from dangerous sun damage while firming skin and easing inflammation. That is one that I didn't expect, but I think that's pretty neat. It has prickly pear extract, which is a tough little succulent that prevents premature wrinkle formation and evens out skin tone by fighting free radicals and promoting cell renewal. This is something I just feel like I need to say. So I'm still in my 20s, I'm in my mid-20s, and I feel like I shouldn't be offended by companies saying, hey, try out this, you know, anti-aging lotion or like wrinkle relief, stuff like that. And honestly, I'm not offended by it. And I feel like I need to say this for other people who are in their 20s or who may be young. It is better to be preventative than reactive. So if you are using products like this now, you will be in less of a rush to use them later in life, because your skin will already be on the right track to reducing fine lines and wrinkles and just helping out with the anti-aging process overall. It is better to start earlier than later. It has hyaluronic acid, which is a crucial crowd-pleasing molecule that hydrates and plumps skin by steeping it in moisture to turn back the hands of time. I'm a huge fan of hyaluronic acid. If you watch any of my other skincare videos, I have tons of skincare products with hyaluronic acid in it. I just think that is such a great ingredient for your skin to help with moisture. And then lastly, it has aloe, which obviously we all know rejuvenates skin with its natural healing powers. Aloe is great for, you know, any damage to your skin, especially with the warmer months, the summer coming up. It is good to have some products with aloe inside of it. So I know that I have makeup on now, but I just wanted to say that this claims to help with uneven skin tone, like I said, helps with fine lines and wrinkles, stuff like that. Now I have rosacea, so I'm always gonna have some redness. However, I will say that I did have a bit of uneven skin tone on top of that, and I do feel like it has helped that out. Additionally, it has helped with pores. I have some acne marks on my face, like on the side here, like way back in the day. I dyed my hair brunette and I went from blonde to brunette, and I don't know if it was something in the dye or something in the hair treatment or something like that, but all on the sides of my face here broke out extremely bad, and I realized that that was where my hair was laying. So I think that, you know, something in the dye caused me to break out really bad. But in any case, like, it was really bad and it left a lot of scarring on the sides of my face here. So I feel like it hasn't really done much yet, but like I said, I've only been using it for a few days and I'm pretty hopeful that this will help with that. So, you know, if it does, I will be sure to post on my Instagram updates because I, you know, want to share that with you guys. So in any case, I feel like this is definitely a product that you should try out. I love it so far, and like I said, it's always great to support small businesses or to shop small, because these small businesses put so much love, care, and effort into their products, whereas, you know, a bigger corporation or a bigger business is not able to oversee all their products. So something interesting on their website that not a lot of beauty companies do is they have a frequently asked questions section on the shop page of their website, and I figured I would just go through some of these because maybe they are things that you want to know about. And it says, is Overnight Star okay to use with another acid such as glycolic or otherwise? And it says, we generally recommend applying only one acid-based product at a time, which I feel like, again, if you were super into skincare routines and beauty products, you already know this. What's the difference between an Overnight Star and a glycolic acid treatment? While both are wonderful exfoliators, they are slightly different. Glycolic is a smaller molecule which in turn penetrates deeper into the skin, and lactic acid is a larger molecule and more hydrating than glycolic. We formulated Overnight Star to be deeply exfoliating while soothing your skin with nourishing botanicals to ensure there will be no irritation for even the most sensitive skin. I have very sensitive skin, so I'm very particular about the skincare products that I use, and I am very careful with what I put on my face, and this has not harmed me in any way, so that is a plus. Another big concern for people who may be of my age or even any age really, can this product be used while breastfeeding? And they say that it can in fact be used while breastfeeding or while pregnant, that it is safe for you to use during that time. However, when you are pregnant or breastfeeding, your skin may undergo different changes or different skincare concerns, and to, as always, consult your doctor. And just some of the other questions on here are like, is it safe for acne prone skin? Which it is. Does it work well for stubborn dark spots? Which it does. You can use it in addition to a retinoid or retinol. When you are starting out to use it, you should use it 2 to 3 times a week, as I explained earlier. Because it is an exfoliator, I recommend using it 2 to 3 times a week. But if you do want to use it more than that, you can. Just as always, if it begins to irritate your skin, you know, back off. That goes for any product. But in any case, this, like I said a million times in this video, this is a great product. So currently this is the only product that Glowmance offers, which personally I feel like if a company offers less products, that means they are putting more effort and love into those products and they are paying attention to those products rather than, you know, just trying to bust out as many products as possible. I always think quality over quantity. But in any case, so this is the only product that they are offering right now. You can buy 1 bottle for $38, 2 bottles for $30 each, or 3 bottles for $27 each. I feel like this will last me maybe like a month or so. So if you like it, maybe get yourself some refills and get, you know, 2 or 3 bottles at a time. And they do have a money back guarantee option for 30 days, just in case your skin reacts badly or you don't like it. I feel like I should say that this video is not sponsored. However, they did send me this product to try out. So I, you know, just had to share it with you guys. Disclaimer that they did send it. But in any case, highly recommend. If there are any other skincare products out there that come from smaller brands that you feel like I should try out or that you want to share, please leave a comment and share them in the comments with, you know, whoever else is watching this video. I will give you guys updates if, you know, I find that this stops working for me or that, you know, it does such a great job for me. I will be sure to give updates on my Instagram. I always share things on my Instagram story, like different products and stuff that I'm absolutely loving or that I think are really great. I always try to share them on there, so be sure to check that out. And if there are any other questions or anything else that you would like to know about Glowmance or this product, please leave me a comment, let me know, and I will do my best to answer. And as always, if I can't answer, I will reach out to Glowmance and try and get some answers for you. And if there are any other companies or products out there, as I mentioned, that you want me to try, please let me know and I will do my best to do so. And if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at BreeCutter. And until next time, see you guys.